Yep, what's good, folks? So it's me and the administrative assistant. We're here in Cafe Carrie. I figured let's do a protein shake today. So I don't really want to cook, so I'm like, that's pretty easy. So we're just gonna start with a few things. I'm not gonna put a whole lot in this. I just want to put a few things in there. So I'm gonna start with some almond milk because Emma got me on the almond milk and I haven't gone back since. So we go hard on the almond milk in this house. So we're gonna start with that. I am gonna put in some peanut butter. Think about peanut butter. A lot of people say like protein, but think more fat. It's got more fat than protein. So it's whatever, it's whatever. So we got that. That's for the administrative assistant to make sure she stays cool. For festivities, you can throw in a little ginger if you want to. I also put a little cayenne, just a touch, not a lot. And then you can also put some spinach in there. Now again, these protein shakes is a good way to sneak some stuff in, some stuff that you like, or some stuff that you're trying to get your kids to eat, but they really don't want to eat. You can just sneak it into their stuff like that. And then we got the Isagenix caramel brulee protein powder. I feel like I should have, I'm having a brulee, so I ought to have like boy Garcon come up like, can I give you another tea biscuit or something? So those are our few ingredients. It's gonna get kind of loud real quick, so if you're at the job, you might want to turn your stuff down because I'm finna hit it right now. And there you have it. So we got our nice little protein powder that I made for you guys. And by you guys, I meant for us. And by us, I meant for me. So we're gonna drink that up. And yeah, that's just the humidifier. We're kind of going hard on the orange essential oils in the humidifier. Because everybody's around here stuffy and stuff like that. And that's it. So like I said, almond milk, we got some peanut butter, a little ginger, some cayenne, spinach, and our caramel brulee from Isagenix. Let me know if you want some of that. Well, that's about it, man. There's your protein shake. So that's what's up. Hey, don't forget, we're doing our little drawing this week. So I need you to make sure and wear your Christmas gear. That's for outdoor or virtual, okay? That drawing is gonna be on Saturday. So if you wanna get in with that, please jump in by Friday. And yeah, that's what's up, my friends. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. See if I can get Garcon to come back by with some more tea biscuits. Y'all have a great one.